Let's learn the letter M. M says mm. M is for moon. Moon. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for mango. The monkeys munch on the mangoes. Our M is in the middle of this word. Comet. Comet. Summer. Summer. And cream. Cream. Well done. You learn. M says M. M is for mouse. Mouse. Say it with me. Mouse. Mouse. What color is our mouse? This mouse is grey. Let's learn the letter N. N says N is for nuts. Nuts. N is for nest, where new birds can rest. N is for necklace. Necklace. Our N sound is in the middle of this word. Honey. Say it with me. Bone. Bone. And run. Run. Great! You learned N says N. N is for nose. Nose. Say it with me. Nose. Nose. We use our noses to breathe and smell. Let's learn the letter O. O makes two sounds. A short O sound, which says oh, like octopus. And a long O sound, O, like ocean. Our short O sound is in the word octopus. Octopus. And olive, olive. Our O sound is in the middle of this word. Socks, socks. And mop, mop. Now let's look at some words that have our O sound in them. Our long O sound is in ocean. Ocean. O is for rose. Rose. Our O is in the middle of this word. Boat. Boat. And stones. Stones. Good job. You learned O can say oh. And can also say O. O is for octopus. Octopus. Say it with me. Octopus. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 limbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.